juga. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haziq bin Muhammad Firuz. I have two more members. It is Muhammad Aiman bin Zulkifli and Aidil Danish bin Muhammad Aris Fazila. So the chapter one is introduction. So the first one is introduction. A property management system (PMS) is software that facilitates a hotel's reservation management and administrative tasks. The most important functions include from front desk operation, reservation, channel management, housekeeping, rate and occupancy management, and payment processing. Although PMS software mostly control reservation and financial transaction, it may allow you to manage housekeeping and perform human resources management as well. In general, PMS facilitates the main process in a hotel related to internal and external operation. So the first hotel property management system were introduced back in the 1970s. But even today, not every hotel has one. A report Hotel Management Software by View by Software Advice shows that in 2015, only 34% of hotels use spatial software, while 25% still relied on pen and paper only to manage their hotels, and 60% had no hotel management system at all. The report is based on data from 385 owners of independent hotels, motels, inns, resorts, and other types of hotel property in the US. So, plenty of hotels still use Excel, a paper and pen format, or legacy software, none of which fulfill the needs of a 20th century hotel. Legacy PMS software may perform just one function, require additional modules, or be too hard to integrate with other necessary hotel management software. Consequently, hotel owners are looking for a universal, one and done solution to manage all the processes. Currently, hotel property management systems are used by big hotel chains, small hotels, and everything in between. With this system, hotels can see the booking status of room and control reservation. However, their functionality doesn't end here. Via PMS, hoteliers can manage back office processes, food and beverage service, and track room occupation rates. Let's take a closer look at the most common functions supported PMS. So the next one is problem statement. The phase of system problem that are affecting the current manual system. The problems are those which are affecting the hotel in its daily routine works. As the growing trend in most business in infotech world of computer, need of accuracy, perfectness, speed and high memory data storage is a must, which and every problem must be solved with least amount of time and energy. The problem faced by the existing system and hope to be solved by the hotel management system are described below. So the first one is difficulty in maintenance, time consuming, and then the third one is editing of data. The fourth one, incidence of fraud. So that's all for the problem. So the objective of the project is the aim of the proposed system is to provide solution to the problem state above and help the user to manage the hotel effectively and efficiently through. The first one is adequate record keeping. So we can read there. So the second one is reduce incidence of fraud. The third one maximum acute. The third one maximum accountability. The fourth one provide data security, and the fifth effective resources management. So let's move to the scope. So the study is focused on the critical operation carried out within the hotel administrative system. These major operations include front desk, operations, accommodation, assets management, staff record management, restaurant and bar operation, staff payroll, accounts receivable and payable. So the goals are achieved based on ability of the computer to store large amount of data, which is very useful to store information regarding the transaction of Sarcoballoch. The study is limited of the following. Uh, Reception module. The first one is reception module, accommodation module, finance and account, catering module, and the last one is administration and general services. So the project significant. The hotel management system is developed to overcome the most of the problems occurring in the manual system by computerizing the existing system. The feature if the newly proposed computerized system are described in brief below. So the first one is after computerize the system, the hotel administrator can finish their work in the least amount of time possible and with very little effort. The computerized system has many gains and efforts which the manual system cannot give in any type of situation. So the second one is in any manual system, if we take the main problem arising is to maintain the number of records and finding a particular record, computerized systems are most helpful in dealing with areas where database comes into existence. A computer can hold large amount of data in storage device and it can operate at a very high speed. The user can input all types of information into the computer and can be able to perform any type of task which when done manually is tedious and time consuming. So the chapter 2 database design I will pass to Aiman Zulkifli.
Okay, hello. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Zulkifli. So, right now I'm gonna speak about chapter 2, database design. The first one is entity relationship diagram, which is called ERD. Based on this table, we have 6 table, which is one is hotel, who has connected to room, and while room connected to room reservation, while room reservation connect to reservation table, and the hotel room also connect to reservation table, and the other table is billing, also connect to reservation, and customer who also connect to reservation. Based on the table, we can see the entity relationship diagram about the hotel management. So the first one is hotel, second room, third billing, fourth reservation, and five customer, and the last one is room reservation. We can see here as a primary key for hotel is hotel ID, and for room is room number, while billing is primary key which is billing number, and for reservation primary key is reservation number, while for customer is customer ID. And for room reservation, we have primary key, and for booking key is two room number and reservation number. Second, we have business rule. Go down. Okay, this is the business rule for entity relationship diagram for hotel management system that project database. For hotel, each hotel have many rooms, while each room have one and only one hotel. This is for hotel business rule. For billing, we have each hotel has many billing and zero or many billing for one and only one hotel. Next, we go to the rooms, which each rooms have many reservation, and each reservation have one and only one rooms. Furthermore, we have reservation, which is zero or one reservation may have zero or many service or room reservation. While zero or many service or room reservation may have zero or one reservation. Next, we go to the customer, which is each Each customer may have 0 or many reservation, while 0 or many reservation may have one and only one customer. And the last one is service, which is room reservation. 0 or many room service or room reservation may have 0 or 1 reservation. And 0 or 1 reservation may have 0 or many service or room reservation. And the third one is data dictionary. As we can see, the first table is about data dictionary about hotel. As we can see, attribute name has hotel ID, city, state, phone number, address, and so on. We have content, type, format, range, require, and primary key or forging key. And also same at the second table, which is room data dictionary. On the second table, we have forging key, which is customer ID and hotel ID. Next, we go to the third table, which is reservation. This is also have primary key, where reservation number and customer ID, and forging key, which is customer ID. We can refer at table customer, the information about the data about customer. Fourth table is customer. Okay, this is a data dictionary for customer table. We can see there are no forging key, only primary key, iaitu customer ID. Okay, and next table, we have billing table. There are billing number, credit card number, payment date, and reservation number for attribute billing, which is primary key for billing table is billing number, and forging key for this table is reservation number. We can refer to reservation table to know the data about reservation. And the last one table is for room reservation, which is as two primary key and also forging key, which is called bridge entity. Okay, that's all from me. Next we will go to Aidil Danish bin Muhammad Aris Fazila to the next chapter. Thank you.
Okay, hi, my name is Aidil Danish bin Muhammad Aris Fazila. I will present about chapter 3, database implementation. First, SQL data definition language, DDL. This is SQL for table hotel. This is SQL for table customer. SQL for table room. And this is for SQL for table reservation. This is SQL for table billing. This is SQL for table room reservation. The table we must input the data, and this the SQL for input insert the data for hotel, data for table customer, data for table room, data for table reservation, data for table billing, and that's all. And then SQL data manipulation language, DML. This is what we should insert. Insert into hotel value, insert into room value, insert to because you're the. Okay, next. SQL data manipulation language, DML, relation algebra, and select statement, selection and projection. To list the information of all hotel, select from hotel. To retrieve customer name, total customer salary, and customer type of all customer. Select customer ID, last name, phone number, first name, city, state from customer. Aggregation and grouping, retrieve the total number of customer. Select count from customer. Find the number of customer. select count customer ID from customer. I will pass to Haziq.
Okay, for the last chapter is conclusion. So the conclusion of this project is a hotel management system is a computerized management system. This system keeps the records of hardware assets besides software of this organization. The proposed system will keep a track of workers, residents, account, and generation of report regarding the prison status. This project has GUI-based software project that will help in storing, updating, and retrieving the information through various user-friendly menu-driven modules. The project hotel management system is aimed to develop to maintain the day-to-day state of admission, vacation of residents, list of workers, payment details, etc. Main objective of this project is to provide solution for hotel to manage most their work using computerized process. This software application will help admin to handle customers' information, room allocation, details, payment details, billing information, and more. Detailed explanation about modules and design are provided in project documentation. The existing system is a manually maintained system. All the hotel records are to be maintained for the details of and attendance. All these details are entered. So that's all from us, the hotel management system. So thank you.